Hey you guys, good morning. It's Sarah Hall, the Wealthy Optimist here. I wanted to make a follow-up vlog quickly while I'm walking to work and just let you guys know that I'm doing all right. Because that video I posted on Sunday was really just me at a breaking point, and being able to get it all off my chest and vent about it all actually was very therapeutic for me. So trying to do this while I'm walking, so I'm really sorry about the poor quality. So it was actually very therapeutic for me, and it actually opened up the door because I ended up receiving tons of messages, like hundreds of messages and comments from people who are going through the same things, similar things, who feel like they can't talk about it because there's such a stigmatism around mental health. People just opening up and thanking me for being so open and raw on camera. And although I did almost immediately regret sharing that video because I'm literally sobbing and just at my lowest point, I'm grateful for it because it gave me an opportunity to connect with so many of you guys on another level, because I've been getting just so many messages from people saying thank you for sharing this. It's been so hard for so many people, and today's a new day. Today I'm on my way to the office. I got up super early, got work done from home in the morning, went to the gym, and then now I'm heading into the office so that I can get a little bit of a different kind of, dynamic. And I'm gonna go into the office again tomorrow. But my point is that not every day is like that. And we have the power to control our thoughts and our emotions and decide how long we're gonna let something affect us. And if there's certain people in your life that are causing a lot of toxicity as well, you have to set up strong boundaries with them and take yourself out of that dynamic. And it's really hard not to live in the sadness, you know what I mean? When you lose somebody, I lost my sister, it's really hard to not just sit there and live in that, you know what I mean? Or when it pops up all the time. And another reason I was really super triggered on Sunday as well is because that was exactly a year since I've seen my mom, right? And it just impacted me so hard. It just made me think, oh my God, I haven't seen my family for so long, but I woke up this morning, I got up early, I meditated, I did yoga at home, I read a self-help book, had some coffee, listened to positive music, and then worked. And then I went and made myself go to the gym because I know those are the kinds of things that make me feel good. So my point is that I shared a lot of really vulnerable stuff on Sunday, and I appreciate the outpour of support on it. Somebody disliked my video and I just thought what a horrible person, horribly sad person that must be, to dislike somebody pouring their heart out about the depression that they're suffering in. I just thought, what a miserable B word that person must be. But anyways, to the person that didn't like it, go F yourself because you're the reason that there's a problem with mental health stigmatism. You're the reason. But everybody that's opened up to me, honestly, it just means so much to me. I had one of my best friends talk to me yesterday. I won't tell you who she is, but she told me that she was close to ending her life a few months ago just from the stress of everything. And what's really sad is she's one of my best friends and she didn't tell me. I had no idea. So there's so much stuff that and she got through it and she's doing well now, but still ups and downs. And so just reach out to people. For me, I have a platform where I'm able to get on here and talk to you guys and share it with the world. And that makes me feel better because I'm connecting with a lot of people. But on the other side too, it's really important to have a support group and to have people that you can talk to and reach out to. And I just want everybody that's listening to this to know that if you ever need somebody to talk to, literally just comment or message me because I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. I always respond to everybody. I appreciate your support, and you guys don't know how much it helps me to help you. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And to the one person who didn't like the video, I'm not even going to apologize, because it's just life, you know what I mean? Like, if you can't handle watching somebody be at their worst point, then you don't deserve to have them at their best point. So please unsubscribe. Don't follow me. You know, you don't deserve to have the best of me if you can't handle or be supportive at the worst of me. And yeah, so now I'm heading into the office, which I'm excited about. So change of scenery, lots of work to do. We've been like super busy at Invent ever since the pandemic hit. We've actually, because we help people to get more income coming into their business, we've been very, very, what's the word? Successful, I would like to say, without sounding braggarty. But we've been doing quite well for ourselves. So that's been a really huge, I'm so grateful for that, because there are so many companies that are on the opposite end of that. So yeah, so I'm super excited going to the office, got lots of stuff to get done, and then I will see you guys on my next episode. I've also like edited, during my time off, I've edited tons of like, so the travel videos that I have still to post from like 2 years of traveling. So you'll slowly see those coming up. But yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.